My name is Tyson Ray Borsboom, and this is Let You Down.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Love, it came and it went so fast. It led us down a separate path. Oh, our last days, they were painted blue. And to be friends, the devil's muse. Said, did you bet all along? I missed all the signs along that road. They were off the shoulder to a darkened view. And to your friends, the devil's muse. It didn't mean to let you down. It didn't mean to see you out. I never wanted you to hurt so long. And I didn't want you to have to be strong. Said the news came in, the time to call. Oh, you passed through the mortal claw. Wore my finest suit in that morning day. I couldn't move my legs, oh, I couldn't handle the shame. I was too young, oh, to know that pain. Say to losing a friend, oh, we all felt the same. But they pointed the finger and they called me thief, saying, oh, I know they believe. I didn't mean to let you down. I didn't mean to see you out. I never wanted you to hurt so long. And I didn't want you to have to be strong. I see someone who'll tell me how to feel. Hear someone tell me what's real. Screaming, oh, we've been screaming through our teeth. And I just need some help to find some peace. But I didn't mean to let you down. But I didn't mean to see you out. But I never wanted you to hurt so bad. Singing, why is life so unfair like that?